So we are outside waiting for fireworks and it's raining, but we don't care, right?
Yeah.
I can't see anything. Mike, no.
Put your brightness all the way up.
I can't. What the?
Guess who's back? Mikey Baba on the
No.
Mikey Baba is that?
We can't see anything
Drop it.
Look up.
when I'm recording, but we saw a whole bunch of fireworks.
Up
There's a purple. Oh, I'm blocking. What the? What happened?
No, you should put light on.
You don't have anything. That sky is purple.
So they're not gonna see it until you put light on.
I don't have any flash.
I'll get it.
Okay. Be right back when the fireworks come. It's raining, but we don't care.
I'm raining a little bit.
In the building.
I have a sweater.
Oh, looks like quality. What is that 1G?
Stop!
Oh, Emily! Emily, you remember the thing from Frankie? Like, the ball? It's awesome!
Oh well. We keep hearing fireworks, but can't see them. Stop! Stop!
No,
poking
I'm
me.
just waiting for like a lightning bolt.
I stepped in a puddle and my feet got wet because I'm wearing slippers. Okay, be back when it's done. So I didn't see anything yet, but stop spitting. It's like
Your face is black.
9:46 or something.
Your face is
I don't know if you can see me. Okay, okay, I know you told me. But I don't know if it's gonna. We keep hearing them, but we don't see them. So, yeah, I don't see any. We'll be back when it's here. So, what do you think? That's an umbrella.
How long? Wait.
Stop! Fine, I'll interview him. What do you think about the fireworks? I don't see anything. What do you think about the fireworks? What do you think about the fireworks?
Hold on, wait.
Hey!
Because she put that directly in my eye. I think we need to point this out.
Hey.
You're wearing shoes. Okay.
Is it glass again?
No, it's a brown.
You're getting cut by glass too much.
Oh, you know
What do you think about the fireworks? Why are they not coming? Oh, there's one! Yeah!
They're going up higher.
You just noticed that?
Yeah!
That's it.
Oh! There's like 2 houses blocking. That is loud.
Help us, we're gonna trapped here.
Oh! Yeah! What? Who said that? Somebody said I'm on fire.
No, they said throw it up higher.
Oh. So they said I'm on fire.
Okay. He's not quiet. He's gonna be quiet.
I can't see.
Don't, he's quiet.
I'm gonna.
What? Keep it down.
You keep it down. You keep it down. I'm trying
Throw
to.
it up higher.
Ah!
See how painful.
To myself. You hold it out.
Oh, this is mine or Frankie's?
Hey, I was using that.
Hey!